Hey you guys, it's Jacqueline here, and today I'm going to show you my haircut. This is my sister Nicole, and she's my hairstylist, so she'll be cutting my hair. And we live in the same house, so we did not need to wear masks. Also, don't mind my outfit change because my tank top got a little wet for my hair. Each step will be up on the screen, that way it's easy for you to follow along. Okay, you guys, so we are all done, and this is the finished look. I am so in love with my hair, and every time my sister cuts my hair, I always feel incredibly fabulous and fresh after. If you would like to see more of my sister's work, I will leave her Instagram handle in the description box down below and also on the screen for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!